Which one is a countable noun? Find the uncountable noun in the sentence. The child spilled milk on the floor. Which is a countable noun? Which word is uncountable? Fill in the blank. There isn't blank time left. Choose the correct option. I need some blank for the recipe. Identify the uncountable noun. Find the countable noun. Which one is uncountable? We don't have blank chairs in the hall. Which word is uncountable? Find the countable noun. Of the following, which noun is uncountable? He doesn't have blank friends in this town. Of the following, identify the countable noun. Which noun is uncountable? I bought 2 blank of bread. Which is a countable noun? She has very blank patience. Of the following, which noun is uncountable? How blank money do you need? Identify the countable noun. Which noun is uncountable? How blank money do you need? She has a lot of good blank. Well done. How many did you get right? Comment your score below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quizzes. See you next time.